Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all to the 13th lecture of our course Business Communication Workshop. Today we will be talking about the second step of the three-step writing process, that is writing the business message. Now there are a lot of things that we need to consider whenever we are trying to write a business message. Starting with the first one, adapting to your audience, being sensitive to audience needs, right? It should be remembered that considering the needs of audience is of prime importance, right? Whatever message we are actually trying to communicate is always intended towards a certain audience, which makes the audience the center point or under the spotlight of the whole situation, right? So whatever message we are getting delivered, we should always be sensitive toward the audience needs and what the audience expects, right? Starting with the very first one, that is using the you attitude. Now it is to be remembered that you attitude does not mean that you should just use the word you very often. Excuse me. Using the you attitude does not mean to use the word you all the time. No. Adopting to the you attitude means speaking and writing in terms of your audience's wishes, interests, hopes and preferences, right? So whenever you are writing, the you attitude means that when you are writing, you should always be considering the audience. Now yes, at times you may be using the word you in it, but it does not necessarily means a sentence can have a lot of yous in it, but in essence it may not be having the you attitude. For example, let's look at a few examples, we will understand it better.